everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna go on a little field trip to Orange County. It's about an hour drive from my place in Los Angeles, and it's supposed to be this big festival or fair, and it's the last day today. So we're gonna go there, eat some food, drink some beer, and just explore. So hang on tight as we go to Orange County.
Which ones are with caramel?
These ones are the caramel on the end right here.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Nice and airy.
She said I did you, baby, but I got to keep moving on. Keep moving on. Last dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping in and I'm tired of this town again.
Garlicky, creamy, nice meat. Although it's not a very traditional gyros, I feel like it's beef patties rather than shaved. What is it called? Kebab or gyros? But it works. That tzatziki sauce is really, really good. Really creamy, really garlicky. And we got some extra for the souvlaki. Try this souvlaki. So this is barbecued pork. Pork skewers. I'm gonna dip it in that tzatziki. Looks pretty good. Oh, let's see. I just realized the mistake I made. I should have tried the meat before dipping it in the sauce, because the garlic and the tzatziki just took over all the flavors. So, let me try just the meat. I like the seasoning on the pork. You can't even taste that it's pork. It's well marinated, but the meat is a little tough. But I love that seasoning. Well, that was a better bite. Pretty good for a street fair. Not as good as the Greek food in Greece, but pretty good for an Orange County street fair. You know what I like the most? It's the tzatziki sauce. Very creamy. Wonder where they get their yogurt from. Okay, we're trying the Kalua slider. Kalua slider on a Hawaiian bun. Ooh. Let's see. That was such a big bite. I can taste the pork in there. I can smell the pork. The sauce is really nice. It's sweet. Juicy meat. It's funny. Wherever we've eaten today, I feel like it's good, but it doesn't taste like how it tastes like in its origin place. Like this is supposed to be like a Polynesian bender Hawaiian dish. It doesn't taste like it would taste like in Hawaii. The Greek food didn't taste like it would taste in Greece. But it's good. It's juicy. And I really like that sweet Hawaiian bun with that pork. So it's a little bit later now. I'm home. It just got so loud at the street fair because of the live music, and also I'm having issues with my microphone for some reason, so it wasn't really working perfectly during the event. So I just wanted to pop in here to give a quick summary and a sign off, my thoughts on the fair. It was really fun. It was my first time being around that many people at once since the pandemic hit. It was a lot of joy. It was a lot of festivity. People were dancing and having fun, and I'm really glad I went. This is apparently an annual fundraiser, actually. So if you missed it in summer of 2022, make sure to check out or keep an eye out for the summers ahead. Even though there was a lot of drinking going on, it was also like a great family vibe. Like you could definitely go there with groups of friends. There's a bunch of parents with their babies and grandparents, and it was definitely, there was something there for everyone. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button next to it so you don't miss a thing. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.